There may be a need to change the name of your Seestar. When you open the app, it displays the Seestar serial number and device type. Um, and if you're at a star party or something and there's several people with a Seestar and you're trying to locate yours to get it connected to Wi Fi or for some other reason, it may have a big list of several people with Seestar, and if they're all just in there with their name and serial number, it may be hard to find them. Another reason you would do it is you just want to personalize the app so that it displays and is more personalized to you. I've wondered posting these on the internet if there's any security risk to posting the serial number of my Seestar. I don't know that anybody could do anything with it, but there may be a reason that you want to rename your Seestar. So this video is to show you how to do that. So we're going to log on to the Seestar app and connect to our Seestar, and then it lists my Seestar right there where it says Wi-Fi, and to the right it has S50 and then the serial number of my Seestar. So if I click on that, it brings me to this page, and it allows me, it tells me what Wi-Fi frequency I'm connected to. It also lists the password there, and it does have a little icon to the right of the password so you can make that visible or not visible. And down below is where you change it to station mode so you can use the internet when you're using your Seestar. So for today's video, what we want to do is we want to change the name of our Seestar. So up here in the top right, there's a little colorful orange and green modify. And then if you click that, it brings up some boxes. And I'm going to just change the name of my Seestar. And I think I will change it just to the name of our YouTube channel, which is the College Gateway. It looks like that might be too long, but I'll put what it will allow. And so the College Gateway, and then I click done, and then up here the orange and green icon done. And you see it takes just a second, and that little spinny dial goes away. And now if I go back, it's going to display the College Gateway there in the Wi-Fi box instead of the Seestar and my serial number. So that was a really quick way that we can personalize the Seestar app. We can change that name, make it personalized to us. It could be really beneficial if you're with a group of people and everybody has a Seestar and you're all trying to log on to the same internet or something. It could have some advantages there. If you ever need to know what your serial number is, right here in the center, just click on device info and it tells you your serial number right there. It tells you the model of Seestar you have as well as the serial number. And that's only if you're connected to it. If you're not connected to it, it wouldn't give you those options to even look at it. But that's how you change the name of your Seestar and make it more personal to you. Enjoy. Wishing everybody clear skies.